Today I'm going to be reviewing Red Star Tech. This is a USB-C to a 4-point USB hub. You can see you've got the 3 there, and then you've got the last one right there. It's an aluminum casing. It's very light. What I really liked was that it's pretty sturdy, and I want it short because if I'm hooking it up into my computer or laptop, I don't want too much length on it to kind of ruin it. So this works really well. Just to let you know, they did send this to me for free to review, and I really like it. If you look at the reviews online, it's got 4.7 stars, which I really like, and 54 ratings. I usually like that to be a little bit higher, so I know a lot of people tried this out, but it is an Amazon choice, so this is actually doing really well. A lot of people are getting these every month, so you definitely should check it out. It is plug and play. All my USBs fit into those, no problems getting them to fit in there, plug in, and everything worked seamlessly. I mean, I expect that from these. There aren't really many moving parts, but I was very happy with this, and it's quite inexpensive. You definitely check it out. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.